What if I told you that a brand new niche is taking over the internet right now, allowing creators to earn anywhere between $42,000 and $682,000 per month without prior experience, special skills, or expensive equipment? Imagine gaining over 800,000 subscribers with just 17 video uploads using nothing but free AI tools. Sounds unreal, right? But it's happening right now. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can tap into this fresh, low competition niche and create captivating duck-themed videos that rack up millions of views on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Stick with me because by the end of this guide, you'll have everything you need to start producing viral DuckQuest-style videos from scratch. I'll walk you through each step from crafting engaging stories and generating AI images to turning those images into high-quality videos that stand out. And most importantly, I'll reveal a crucial pro tip that will make your content even more unique and engaging than the competition. So if you're ready to unlock the power of AI and dominate this exciting niche, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Step 1. Crafting the perfect script and image prompts. The foundation of any great DuckQuest-style video is a compelling story. These viral videos always follow a specific formula that keeps audiences hooked. And the best part? You don't need to be a skilled storyteller because AI can handle the entire script writing process for you. Here's the proven storytelling formula that DuckQuest videos follow. The story always starts with a duck in danger, only to be saved by another animal, perhaps a brave kitten, a small rabbit, or even a baby turtle. But then the plot flips and the helper animal suddenly faces an even bigger danger, typically a hawk or an eagle swooping down. At this point, the duck becomes the hero, saving the day in an unexpected way. The video ends with a heartwarming moment, reinforcing the bond between the duck and the animal it rescued. But here's how we make it unique. Instead of using an eagle as the main villain, we'll introduce a crocodile. Picture this. A kitten is struggling to swim in the river, and a crocodile is approaching fast. But just when it seems all hope is lost, a duck appears, knocking a rock into the river, creating a wave that pushes the kitten to safety. This simple twist makes the story fresh and keeps viewers engaged. Even if storytelling isn't your strong suit, don't worry. ChatGPT has your back. I've prepared a set of tested AI prompts that will allow you to generate a full script with just a few clicks. Simply copy and paste my prompts into ChatGPT, and you'll instantly get a structured storyline broken down into detailed scenes. Next, once you have the script, it's time to generate the perfect AI image prompts. ChatGPT can write detailed image descriptions that will help AI art generators create stunning visuals. If you want to add variety to your videos, you can ask ChatGPT to switch out supporting animals, perhaps replacing the kitten with a cub, a rabbit, or even a baby turtle. If you'd like access to a full collection of pre-written DuckQuest-style stories, just drop a comment below, and I'd be happy to share it with you. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. Now let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Generating stunning AI images with Leonardo AI and Pixverse. Now that we have our script and image prompts, it's time to bring the story to life with stunning visuals. To do this, we'll use AI-powered tools like Leonardo AI and Pixverse to generate beautiful, high-quality images that will be used in our video. First, head over to Leonardo AI and log in using your Google or email account. Leonardo AI gives you 150 free tokens daily, which is more than enough to generate multiple images for your video. Once you're inside, click on Image Creation, then choose Phoenix Style 1.0, which produces vibrant, detailed visuals. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect size for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram Reels. Next, paste your image prompt into the generator and hit Create. Within seconds, Leonardo AI will produce 4 different image variations based on your prompt. Download the best ones and repeat this process for all your scenes. If you run out of tokens, no problem. Just create a second Leonardo AI account or switch to alternatives like Pixverse or Puman. Using multiple tools ensures you always have fresh visuals to work with. Pro tip: combining Leonardo AI with other AI tools allows you to create even more variety in your visuals, making your videos stand out from the competition. If you're finding this helpful, drop a like on this video. It helps more creators discover this content. Step 3. Transforming images into engaging videos. Now that we have our AI-generated images, the next step is to turn them into a captivating video. To do this, we'll use Halo AI or Pixverse, both of which are fast and incredibly effective. For this tutorial, we'll focus on Pixverse 3.5, which provides high-quality, smooth animations. Start by visiting the Pixverse website, link in the description. If you're a new user, you'll receive 100 free bonus credits plus 60 daily credits for ongoing use. Once you're inside, click Create, then upload your AI-generated images. Add scene descriptions to provide extra context for the animation, then hit generate. Repeat this process for all your images, and soon you'll have a fully animated short video. Pro tip: if you run out of Pixverse credits, you can switch to Halo AI or consider upgrading to a premium Pixverse plan. It's definitely worth it. And as a special bonus, I'm giving away a free 1-month Pixverse subscription to one lucky viewer. Just drop a comment, subscribe, and I'll pick a winner. Step 4. Upscaling your video for a professional look. Once you have your animated AI-generated video, the next step is to enhance its quality to make it look more crisp, polished, and professional. Many AI video generators, including Pixverse and Halo AI, produce videos in lower resolutions by default, which might make your content look blurry or pixelated when uploaded to platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. To fix this, we'll use CapCut's AI-powered video upscaler to improve the resolution and clarity. Start by opening CapCut's Magic Tools, then navigate to the Video Upscaler feature. Upload your video and choose the highest resolution option available, typically 1080p or 4K, depending on your plan. The AI will process your video, sharpening edges, enhancing colors, and removing any pixelation or noise. This step is crucial because a high-quality, clear video keeps viewers engaged and makes your content look more professional. If you use Pixverse to generate your video, you might not need this step since Pixverse already produces high-resolution animations. However, if you notice any loss of quality, running it through CapCut's Upscaler will give it that extra polish. Another great alternative is Topaz Video Enhance AI, a dedicated video upscaling software that provides even sharper results. If you're serious about making ultra-high-quality AI-generated content, this tool is worth considering. Once your video is upscaled, download the final version, and you're ready for the next step, editing it for maximum engagement. Step 5. Editing for maximum engagement. Now it's time for the final touch, video editing. Import all your clips into CapCut and arrange them on the timeline. Next, crop out any watermarks, add smooth transitions, and apply light flashes or quaking effects for added suspense. For the sound design, use royalty-free music from YouTube's audio library or AI-generated tracks, link in the description. Add duck quacks, water splashes, and background music to enhance the atmosphere and keep viewers engaged. Once you're satisfied with the edit, export your masterpiece. Your video is ready to go viral. How to make your videos stand out? Want to stand out from other creators? Introduce a unique twist. Instead of an eagle as the villain, try using a crocodile or even a giant snake. Adding creative elements makes your content fresh and unpredictable, increasing your chances of going viral. Now you have everything you need to start creating Duck Quest-style videos with free AI tools. If this helps, smash that like button and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tips. And before you go, did you know that creators are earning $5,000 plus per month from other AI-generated content niches? Check out my next video to learn more.